Wednesday, and I call that reset day. Not just cleaning my space, but clearing my head, my spirit, my energy. I've learned something powerful in my 50s. A cluttered space usually means a cluttered mind. So today I am tidying up my environment to send a signal to my soul. We're choosing calm, we're choosing control. Sometimes midweek it hits hard. Emails pile up, thoughts get noisy, and we carry the world like it's ours alone. But here's my truth. I don't have to push through it. I can pause and reset. Resetting doesn't mean you failed. For me, it looks like lighting a candle, doing the dishes slowly, turning off the noise, and letting my thoughts catch up with my heart. Today, I'm decluttering the corners I've been ignoring. Because when my outer world feels aligned, my inner world breathes a little easier. And I deserve ease, so do you. I love to hear from you. How do you reset your midweek? Do you clean, journal, cry, walk, nap? Drop me a comment down below so we can all remind each other we're not alone in this journey of balance and becoming.